Guys, you won't believe these 12 insane gadgets that'll level up your life in 2025, from mind-blowing tech to must-have gear. Let's dive in. Are you trying to find some of the most amazing devices that any man would adore? This collection is filled with equipment that blends stylish design and usefulness. Whether you're an adventurer, a practical person, or just a fan of cutting-edge gadgets, these devices are necessities that make life simpler, more exciting, and occasionally even a little more futuristic than simple tools. 4K tough-built scraper utility knife. For heavy-duty jobs, the 4K tough-built scraper utility knife is a strong and adaptable instrument. It is perfect for people who want a multi-purpose tool that can tackle difficult tasks, because it can be used as both a scraper and a knife. It is ideal for ordinary household chores like cutting materials or removing paint, because of its sturdy construction and sharp blade. With premium materials that guarantee longevity and sharpness, this tool is made to last. Because of the ergonomic handle's pleasant grip, difficult chores can be completed without putting undue strain on your hand. Alva, the universal hands-free flashlight. With the Alva universal hands-free flashlight, hands-free lighting is reimagined in a useful and fashionable way. For mechanics, campers, and handymen, this inventive device is ideal because it can be worn around your head or fastened to nearly any surface. Because of the Alva's design, working with your hands free makes things easier and more productive. Consistent lighting is provided by the brilliant, adjustable beam, which can be precisely positioned where you need it thanks to its flexible construction. Compared to conventional headlights, it provides a significantly more flexible option for hands-free lighting. Garmin InReach Mini GPS Satellite Communicator. Adventurers who enjoy venturing into far-flung regions will find the Garmin InReach Mini indispensable. Even in places without cell service, this little satellite communicator offers GPS navigation and two-way communication. It provides the assurance that you will remain connected regardless of where your journey takes you, making it a lifesaver for anyone heading into the wilderness. You may send messages and issue an SOS alert with the InReach Mini in addition to using it for navigation. It is the ideal complement to any adventure outfit because it is portable and lightweight. Lever Gear Bit Vault. Keychain carry case and compact screwdriver. The Lever Gear Bit Vault is a portable device that blends portability, functionality, and flair. With the addition of being a small screwdriver, this unusual keychain carry case allows you to quickly reach several bits directly on your keychain. Anyone who values multipurpose equipment and wishes to be ready for quick chores while on a run will find it ideal. In addition to being useful, the Bit Vault is also elegant and robust. Because of its small size and sturdy construction, you may easily fit in your pocket or purse. Stinger Whip Emergency Tool. The main goals of the Stinger Whip Emergency Tool are readiness and safety. This multi-purpose weapon, which may be used as a window-breaking emergency tool or for self-defense, is made to assist you escape difficult situations as soon as possible. It can shatter automobile windows in one swing because to its high-strength construction, which could save a life in an emergency. It's small enough to fit in a glove box, but strong enough to have a significant effect when needed. The Stinger Whip is made for personal safety in addition to emergency situations. Grip It Marksman Marking Pen Tool. The Grip It Marksman Marking Pen Tool is revolutionary for both experts and do-it-yourselfers. Marking locations on any surface, especially those that are difficult to reach, is made easier using this tool. This marking pen helps you always achieve the right spot while mounting hardware or building shelves. It guarantees excellent visibility on almost any surface by misting a green pigment onto the selected area. The Marksman Marking Pen's simplicity and accuracy are its greatest features. Flexit Solar Flashlight. The basic flashlight is elevated to a whole new level with the Flexit Solar Flashlight. You can easily light up difficult-to-reach places with this inventive flashlight's flexible, bendable construction. It is ideal for campers, technicians, and everyone else who requires a dependable light source in a range of environments. In addition to offering flexible, brilliant lighting, it is solar-powered, making it environmentally friendly and removing the need for frequent battery changes. The Flexit's many mounting possibilities are among its most distinctive features. It is perfect for hands-free use because of its magnetic and hook attachments, which allow you to secure it practically any place. Stash RCX Stealth Mini Tool for Bike. A biker's best buddy is the Stash RCX Stealth Mini Tool, which is made to handle changes while riding without taking up a lot of room. This tool fits perfectly into the handlebars of your bike and has all the necessary bike maintenance features in a stylish, small package. It's a really well-considered invention, ideal for people who enjoy riding but detest lugging a heavy tool set. You won't have to worry about the Stash RCX wearing out because it is made of sturdy materials that can withstand the bumps and bruises of a demanding ride. The finest aspect? You won't even realize it's there until you need it because it's so covert. This little gadget is a must-have addition for bikers who value practicality and ingenious design because it guarantees that you're always ready for anything. BitBar Inline. The BitBar Inline lets you wave goodbye to large toolkits. A minimalist dream, this stylish tool offers a variety of screwdriver bits in a compact design that fits neatly in your pocket. 4 fast fixes like tightening a loose screw or adjusting small devices. The BitBar Inline is just what you need. It is the best EDC, everyday carry, tool for people who value both practicality and flair. It is simple to swap between bits with the BitBar Inline's user-friendly design, and its premium materials guarantee that it can withstand normal wear and tear. Fogo, the ultimate adventure gadget. For adventure seekers, Fogo is a multi-purpose device. Fogo, also referred to as the ultimate adventure gadget, is a small, multi-purpose tool. With its many functions, including a flashlight, GPS, and walkie-talkie, it is an essential tool for any outdoor activity. No matter how far you venture off the grid, you won't get lost thanks to the strong flashlight's adjustable brightness levels and integrated GPS. What makes Fogo unique is its walkie-talkie feature, which allows it to connect with other nearby Fogo devices. This implies that even if you're distant from mobile coverage, you can still communicate with your adventure partners. Adventure Mate AM V25 in one multi-tool. Outdoor enthusiasts are the target market for the Adventure Mate AM V25 in one multi-tool. This multi-tool, which combines 5 necessary instruments into a single, sturdy design, is a true miracle. This tool includes all the necessary components to handle any outdoor work or adventure, including a hatchet, saw, shovel, hammer, and hook. You can use this tool to cut wood, set up camp, or even just make minor adjustments to your equipment. The Adventure Mate AM V2 is not only practical, but it is also made to endure the most extreme circumstances. Constructed from premium materials, it is built to withstand every challenge that nature may present. Zera Wireless Charging Shaver. Imagine creating a device that appeals to all men by fusing functionality and style. With the Zera Wireless Charging Shaver, you can enjoy the ease of wireless technology in a device that is just as necessary as a shaver. The days of tangled wires and looking for outlets are long gone. You may use this shaver anywhere you want because it doesn't require a plug to operate. With a long-lasting charge and a small size that fits neatly in a bag, it's also a fantastic travel companion. However, the Zera is unique in ways other than its ease of use. With the help of precision blades that adjust to the natural curves of your face, this shaver consistently delivers a close, smooth shave. That's it for the 12 coolest gadgets for men in 2025. Which one's your favorite? Drop a comment, hit that like button, and subscribe for more epic tech. See you next time.